Hi everyone. I normally don't use these headphones, but I thought because they have like a little mic on them that will probably sound better. I'm gonna stop doing the college projects video. I'm gonna go on to a foundation course instead of uni this year because I didn't get accepted by the uni that I wanted. And even though I applied to 4 unis and I got accepted by 3 of them, it was stupid not to go with the one that I got declined from. So I'm gonna work hard this year to see if I can get in next year. Or maybe if I can go through clearing. I don't know how it really works. Oh well. My parents are away. I thought it would be cool if I went out because I spent loads of money in the last couple days to try and make myself feel better. It hasn't really worked. But thank you for all the love and support that I've had on the past couple videos, especially the makeup ones. They're super cool. I was really in the mood to paint, especially an oil painting of Billie Eilish? Billie Eilish? So I'm going to be doing an oil painting of her, and one of my friends at college, she's been doing like little pencil drawings of her and they're super cute, and so that kind of like inspired the Billie Eilish. Hello, and this is the image that I'm going to be doing, and I vaguely traced it from this one, so it's like a blown up version of this one. And I'm excited to paint this. I'm going to be painting in oil paints. These are the down the roundly ones, oil. And I got these at a Hobbycraft. I think these are beautiful. You have your warm tones and you have your cool tones. I also have these ones. I got these ones from the Works, and I used these ones to paint this whole painting. So this is my process so far. You probably saw me layer a lot of things, especially like the blue paint, etc. But I wanted to kind of like show it in the light. It looks so textured and fucking nasty. I don't know how to feel about it. I think it definitely looks better in the dark, but she looks very tired and kind of zombie-ish. So I tried to kind of decrease the zombie, oh my god, the zombie looking blue vibe I was getting from this. I think I'm just gonna leave the skin like that and try and work more on the mouth and the spider area. I feel like this is the best I'm gonna get for today because layering up, it's getting to that certain point where I can't really do it anymore. Oh my god, okay, this is the updated one. I have done this shirt, but I didn't really know how to do it, so I just mixed some paint and I just chucked it on there. It is... it's pretty self-explanatory. I think I'm gonna like leave it a couple days to let it dry, and then I can do the hair and then the chains, and that might give me a little bit more time to kind of just have it all settle in, you know? I'm very dead from work. I only worked like there are people outside staring at me. I only worked 10 until 3 and I had a 15-minute break, so that was good. I'm gonna do my painting. I'm probably gonna finish it off. I gave it a couple days because today is Friday. I'm just gonna relax and paint. Paint and relax.